The Dragon's Map of Wonders. High in their grandmother's cozy attic, amidst forgotten treasures, siblings Kai and Yuki found a dusty, rolled-up map. "What do you think it is?" whispered Yuki, her eyes wide with wonder. As Kai's finger traced a winding river on the map, it began to glow with a warm golden light. The light swirled and danced, and from its center emerged a tiny, emerald-green dragon with wise, sparkling eyes. "My name is Ryu," he chirped, "and this map wants to show you a special place. Hold on tight." In a blink, they were standing in a field of delicate pink flowers. Before them, the magnificent Mount Fuji rose into the clear blue sky, its peak covered in a perfect blanket of white snow. "These are cherry blossoms, or sakura," Ryu explained. "They signal the beginning of spring." Next, Ryu flew them to an ancient city called Kyoto. There, sitting beside a calm, shimmering pond, was a temple covered entirely in gold. It glittered so brightly in the sun that Kai had to squint. "This is Kinkakuji, the Golden Pavilion," Ryu whispered. Yuki giggled as Ryu led them into a forest unlike any she had ever seen. Giant stalks of green bamboo towered over them, reaching for the sky. The wind rustled through the leaves, making a soft, peaceful music. "Welcome to the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove," said Ryu. Their journey took them to the city of Nara, where gentle deer roamed freely through a park. Kai and Yuki were amazed when the deer bowed their heads to say hello. They carefully offered them special crackers, and the deer nibbled them right from their hands. "Look!" shouted Kai, pointing to a hill. At the very top stood a brilliant white castle with many elegant roofs. It looked like a great white bird ready to take flight. "That is Himeji Castle," Ryu said proudly. "Some call it the White Heron Castle because it's so graceful." As evening fell, the air filled with music and the warm glow of paper lanterns. They had arrived at a festival. People in beautiful, colorful robes called kimonos walked by, laughing and playing games. Yuki watched, mesmerized by the dancing lights and joyful sounds. Their final stop was a magical pathway up a mountain. They walked through thousands of bright red gates, called torii, that formed a long, winding tunnel. "This is the Fushimi Inari Shrine," Ryu explained. "Each gate is a wish for good fortune." The golden light swirled around them once more, and they were back in the attic, the little dragon waving goodbye. The map lay on the floor, no longer dusty but with a soft, warm glow. Kai and Yuki smiled at each other. Their amazing journey was over, but they knew Japan was full of more wonders, waiting for them on the magical map.